Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by listing the sets and the universal total out loud so you see all numbers. You mark known overlaps and any exclusive counts on paper. If only totals are provided, label them A, B, N. Once done, subtract obvious exclusive members from totals to reduce unknowns. Make sure to convert percentages to counts when needed. This first step organizes information so the diagram filling later is straightforward and avoids double counting. Now put the intersection number directly into the overlapping region of the two circles. That is your anchor. Once placed, subtract that overlap from each set total to compute only A and only B. Write those results in the non-overlapping parts. If you have 3 sets, handle pairwise intersections next, then the triple overlap. Continue checking that a plus B intersection equals union counts. If unions are given, compare to ensure consistency before final arithmetic. Finish by summing every region you filled and compare the result to the universal total. This confirms accuracy. If totals mismatch, retrace steps, reevaluate each subtraction, check whether a triple overlap was omitted, and ensure you didn't double count. Once corrected, label each region clearly with its final count. One key troubleshooting tip: if numbers still conflict, reread the problem for implicit overlaps or hidden complements that often reveal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.